Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple hearing on behalf of Stewart, sitting in for Ms. Perry. Mr. Stewart, will you state your name for the record?
Mr. Derek Stewart.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment. My information is that we do not have a competency report received.
Wait a minute. I asked for a bond. We're not the same attorney I had the other day. We were asking for a PR bond. Hello?
Your Honor, if you could give me one moment to check the file regarding the bond request, please. Thank you.
We were discussing a bond Tuesday. You're not the same attorney I had Tuesday.
One moment, Mr. Stewart. Your attorney had to leave court.
It's 4/24/25. I denied the bond request. Then did he disappear? No. Then I had a competency. I have a competency. And then he didn't appear. His bond was denied.
I didn't appear. What you mean I didn't appear? I was in jail.
Well, he had a bond violation. His bond was denied.
But they said you couldn't go ahead with the bond violation until the competency.
Sir?
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
I believe the information you say is correct. In regarding the bond request, Mr. Stewart is asking the court to consider a release on a personal bond. He reports that he would stay at the Delana Center if released. We do have updated contact information. He has been in custody over 100 days.
Probable cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Motion for bond reduction is denied. Bond will continue. Court.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant AG Clarissa Williams.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Virgil is with and on behalf of Anthony Williams. Please state your name.
Anthony Williams.
Your Honor, I'm asking for, if possible, 1 week adjournment. I did receive an offer from the Attorney General yesterday after I was speaking with Mr. Williams. So just to keep things moving along, asking for a very short adjournment.
1 week would be the 18th. Not objection. Probable cause conference, September 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Brandon Kelly.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Virgil is with and on behalf of Brandon Kelly. Mr. Kelly, can you unmute and state your name?
Yeah, let me see. I got it. All right, Brandon Kelly.
We're asking to adjourn this for media, and may I address bond?
Probable cause conference will be adjourned to September 25th. Yes, that's about.
We are asking the court to consider a personal bond or a very low cash bond. Mr. Kelly has a plan for, if he's released, he would stay with his parents. He also would be in treatment with CMH. He does not have a criminal history, understands his bond conditions, and I think it would be beneficial to him to get that mental health treatment out of custody. He has been in custody for 70 days now.
Only on this case?
He had another misdemeanor. My understanding was that the bond was set at $100 on that just to get time served.
He does have another case. I'm sorry, I don't know if the time was finished. It's completed their arguments.
I'm finished. Thank you.
So, Your Honor, we do believe that Mr. Kelly still presents a danger. With Mr. Kelly, while it is true that he has a CMH plan, it's a result of being petitioned while he was in jail. That petition last month because he was threatened to kill a jail staff member, to injure jail staff. He refused to take any medication. Your Honor, so it was indicated that I checked the record of actions. He just had his hearing 2 weeks ago. And at that hearing, he was found to be a person in need of treatment. that he, one, is a danger to others, and also doesn't necessarily recognize the amount of treatment that he needs. And
That treatment is completed.
Okay, thank you for interrupting. Go ahead, Mr. Thomas.
So, Your Honor, I know in the petition that it did indicate that the petitioner was recommending that the jail be able to give Mr. Kelly shots of antipsychotic medication since he would not take medication. And so, while I'm sure in the last 2 weeks he might be benefiting from that medicine, I feel about whether he will continue that medication once he's released. The allegations here, I think, indicate a danger to the public. If there had been some ongoing treatment that he seemed cooperative with, I would feel different. But in this case, he's accused of punching a Target employee in the face where he busted his lip by using a watch wrapped around his knuckles as a makeshift metal knuckles. I would also note that in the other case, he was accused of following a stranger to a library bathroom. When that individual turned around to find out why Mr. Kelly had followed into the stall, Mr. Kelly asked him what he was looking at, and then he punched that individual in the face, giving him a black eye. So with such a short amount of treatment, given that he's had a history of non-compliance, I don't think at this time that it's safe for the public.
Anything else?
I would just say we're not denying that he has had, mental health struggles and he is going to get help with that. I think that the circuit court order for assisted outpatient treatment is a determination that it is appropriate for him to be getting outpatient treatment rather than being hospitalized or some more restrictive alternative. I also think with a supportive family, he would do well in that environment. So we still ask the court to consider that.
Motion for bond reduction is denied. Bond will continue. Thank you.
When's the next court date?
25th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case People versus Imbaye. Yeah.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Davi Leba on behalf of Mr. Ngai, which I believe is the correct pronunciation.
Yeah, bye, Baba.
Mr. Ngai, could you please state your name, sir?
My name is Baba.